Hello, today we are going to discuss how to configure template. The reason for this configuration is that users can create their own customized template and it can be received the information from the system via SMS or email services from the software. So this configuration is done into the setting in general in admin, reseller and company user. So currently we are going to do the configuration into admin account in template tab. So to create a new template, you need to click on the add new button. So here there are the list of the events that will be available into the drop down. So apart from that, the event that you want to use to customize the template that can be selected. So if you want to get the welcome message to be customized as per your template's requirement, that can be selected. Based on that, you can define the variable parameter. So the variable parameters are the dynamic information that can be entered into software and it can be called via services into when the events are generated. So based on that, today we are going to configure the location alert where the event need to be selected location and description can be entered over here as the additional information, and based on that we need to pass the SMS message that we need to receive for as a customer. So here we have passed some information, that is plate number can be either used as a variable information, speed, date and time, and a location's URL that can be get via system as well. So based on this SMS message that you have entered over here, this SMS need to be registered into the SMS service provider account, and based on their approval, this customized SMS templates can be received as the information from the system. Likewise, you can do the configuration into the email, where in this email configuration, this registration process is not available. So by saving this record and saving the admin user, this template will get saved into this admin account. So this can be inherited into the reseller as well as company users. And if you want to individually create its individual template for reseller as well as company, then it can be individually done into their account as well. So this is how the templates are configured. Thank you.